Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with cozy fireplace decor ideas for winter evenings. Introduction: the heart of winter gatherings. Welcome to Decor YouTube channel, where we bring you the best in architecture and home interior design ideas. As winter evenings settle in, there's nothing quite like the warmth of a fireplace to create a cozy atmosphere in your home. Today, we'll explore a variety of fireplace decor ideas that not only enhance the aesthetic of your living space but also foster an inviting environment for family and friends. From elegant mantel displays to comfortable seating arrangements, these tips will help you transform your fireplace into a true focal point of winter gatherings. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments as we delve into creating that perfect warm ambience. Choosing the right style for your fireplace. Before diving into decor ideas, it's essential to consider the style of your fireplace. Whether you have a traditional wood-burning fireplace, a modern gas insert, or a chic electric model, each type offers unique opportunities for decoration. For a rustic charm, think about using reclaimed wood for a mantel or incorporating natural elements like stones or brick. If your fireplace leans more towards a contemporary style, sleek lines and minimalist decor will enhance its modern appeal. Understanding your fireplace's style will guide you in selecting complementary decor that feels cohesive and thoughtfully designed, ensuring that it becomes a cherished centerpiece in your living room. creating a stunning mantel display. The mantel above your fireplace is a prime canvas for seasonal and year-round decoration. Start by choosing a color palette that resonates with the cozy vibe of winter. Incorporate elements like candles, greenery, and decorative objects to create a visually engaging display. Layer your decor by using varying heights. Tall candlesticks can add drama, while shorter elements like small potted plants or festive ornaments can fill gaps and create balance. Don't hesitate to include personal touches, like family photos in stylish frames or handcrafted items that evoke memories. This curated look not only draws the eye but also adds depth and character to your living space. Incorporating cozy textiles. Textiles play a vital role in enhancing the warmth and comfort of your fireplace area. Consider draping a soft, chunky knit blanket over a nearby chair or sofa to invite snuggling up during chilly evenings. Additionally, layering throw pillows in rich, warm colors can create an inviting seating arrangement. Choose fabrics that complement your overall decor. Think about incorporating faux fur, velvet, or wool for a touch of luxury. Even a simple area rug in front of the fireplace can anchor the space and provide warmth underfoot. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging these textiles, you create an environment that feels both cozy and stylish. Lighting for ambience. While the glow of the fire itself creates warmth, additional lighting can elevate the ambience of your fireplace area. Consider adding a pair of stylish floor lamps or table lamps with warm-toned bulbs to soften the space. String lights can be an enchanting addition, draping them around the mantel or along the hearth for a whimsical touch. If you prefer a more elegant look, consider wall sconces or candle holders that add sophistication while casting a warm glow. By layering different sources of light, you can create an inviting atmosphere that beckons everyone to gather around the fireplace and enjoy the warmth of each other's company. Seasonal decor changes. One of the joys of decorating your fireplace is the opportunity to switch things up with the seasons. In winter, embrace themes of coziness and warmth by incorporating evergreen branches, pine cones, and even faux snow for a winter wonderland effect. As the seasons change, you can easily update your mantel decor to reflect spring florals, summer greenery, or autumn leaves. This not only keeps your space feeling fresh but also allows you to express creativity and adapt your decor to celebrate the different times of the year. Changing your decor seasonally creates excitement and engagement in your home, making each gathering unique. comfortable seating arrangements. Creating a cozy fireplace atmosphere is not just about decor, it's also about how your space is arranged. Comfortable seating encourages conversation and connection. Position your furniture to face the fireplace, allowing everyone to enjoy the warmth and glow. Opt for oversized chairs or a plush sectional sofa where family and friends can gather comfortably. Consider incorporating a few poufs or ottomans for additional seating or footrests. The layout should invite interaction, making it easy for guests to engage with one another while enjoying the ambience of the fire. Personalizing your space. Personal touches make your fireplace area feel uniquely yours. Consider displaying items that reflect your personality, such as travel souvenirs, favorite books, or art pieces that resonate with your style. You might also want to incorporate family heirlooms or handmade decor that tells a story. This personalization not only makes the space inviting but also fosters a sense of belonging and warmth. When guests see elements that reflect your life and experiences, they'll feel more connected to you and your home, enhancing the overall atmosphere. Maintenance and safety considerations. While creating a cozy fireplace atmosphere, it's essential to prioritize safety and maintenance. Regularly clean your fireplace and chimney to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. Use fireplace screens or glass doors to prevent sparks from escaping while still allowing the beauty of the fire to shine through. Additionally, keep flammable materials at a safe distance from the fire. Taking these precautions not only protects your home but also contributes to a stress-free environment, allowing you to fully enjoy your fireplace without worry. Conclusion: embrace the warmth of winter evenings. As we conclude our exploration of cozy fireplace decor ideas, remember that creating a warm and inviting atmosphere is about combining thoughtful decor with personal touches. From stunning mantel displays to comfortable seating arrangements, each element contributes to the overall ambience of your living space. By following these tips, you can ensure that your fireplace becomes the heart of your home during winter evenings, a place where memories are made and warmth is shared. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Decor YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite fireplace decor tips in the comments. Let's make this winter season one filled with warmth, connection, and beautiful moments.